Hey, this is Jay from Jay's Vanity. Thank you so much for watching. This is my very first YouTube video and I'm super excited to be making it. I've been doing makeup since I was like 14 years old and it's something I've always loved and it's always made me happy. I started out with really basic looks and then I began expanding my palette, and a lot of my friends, family members, and coworkers kept telling me, I need to do something with this. I'm also here to show you guys that it's not that hard. Like, doing makeup is for everybody because a lot of people tell me that they feel like they can't do it. And if I can do it, you can do it. I'm going to be doing a reindeer look since Christmas is coming up. It's something nice and festive, so let's get into it. So right now, I'm just cleaning up my brows with some concealer. If you guys ever want to see a video on how I do my brows, let me know in the comments. And that could be my next video. So yeah, you just got to clean up the corners with concealer, make them look nice and sharp, and then just blend it out. Okay, so this is the concealer by Revlon. I'm going to use that and a flat concealer brush to spread some over my eyes and use it as a nice base for the eyeshadow. So now I'm going to use this crease brush with this darker red color and put it right in my crease. Blend it in nice and evenly. You just want to make sure that there's no streaking either. Then I'm going to go in with this orange. Right above that, blend it into the dark red, and then blend the orange into this yellow. Now I'm going to go in with this other different type of crease brush with this darker red, just to help the orange and the dark red blend a little bit better. And then I'm going to take my blending brush and just kind of smooth everything over. I'm going to go back in with my flat concealer brush and start cutting my crease. So you just want to start from the inner corner and bring it up. Just follow like the natural curve of your eye. That's what I've always noticed. Now I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and get this gold going. So you just want to make sure you pack on that gold color so it's nice and strong, and then blend it in with this highlighter. I use that right on my brow and just to blend in the corner. Now I'm going to use e.l.f. eyeliner, my favorite liquid eyeliner, only like $2. And just come up with a wing. And now the great thing about concealer is you can always use it to clean up your wings or your eyebrows. So I'm just going to use that to sharpen up my wing a little bit. Just look at that. Oh my god. Blend it out with my beauty blender. And then I'm just going to add these lashes on. You always want to wait like 30 to 40 seconds before you put your lashes on, just so that the glue has time to get tacky. If not, it's just going to slide right off. And then I'm going to blend my real lashes in with some mascara, and there you go. First eye is done. So now I got both of my eyes on. Looking great, looking clean. Yes, sis, yes. So now I'm going to use my e.l.f. primer and my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation and just apply that to my face. So now with the foundation, you always want to make sure that you blend out to avoid any streaking. And just get all up in the creases. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to highlight underneath my eyes. This is also the stuff I use to cut my creases as well. Great concealer, only like $4. Now I'm going to use this April Sun setting powder. I got this off of Amazon. And you're just going to put that all over the face. And I'm going to come in with Soft Focus from Black Radiance. And that's just going to bring the color back into my face from the setting powder. So now this is baking powder and my contour powder. So I'm just going to start with the baking powder And it kind of helps you know the right place to contour once you see the places that you have to highlight. And then you're just going to come in between with the contour powder. I'm also going to use my crease brush just to contour my nose a little bit to give it more of a deer-like shape. And just highlight the bridge. So once everything is done baking, you can use any large brush and just blend everything in together. So next I'm going to come in with any red lipstick and any red glitter and any white eyeliner really. I got all of this from a beauty supply store. I'm just going to color in my nose with the red liquid lipstick. And tap on some glitter. And then just come behind that with the little white dots to give it that deer effect. And you just want to make sure you're not adding them too close together. You want to make it look kind of natural. I'm also going to put some on my forehead. And then I'm going to color in my lips black just so it kind of gives it that animal look. And then I'm just going to come on top of that with some highlighter just to give it a nice pop. Blend everything together. Always finish off with setting spray. I like to do at least 2 good layers. And there you go. Here's the finished look. I put on my wig, my little antlers, looking all cute. Yes, sis. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments and have a happy holiday.